What exactly happened?
The world is not fair. I swear. And I bamboo by and I'm going to collect something. I collect him enough now, fine.
I got more you than
That fateful morning, we were just chilling. Then Ologo arrives with this girl.
No, I'm begging.
The lion himself.
Money.
The lion himself.
I mean, the one and only guy.
Brotherly.
On the cafe.
Brotherly.
I mean,
I'm just the phrase these days. What is this up now?
So, on
Brotherly.
On the night of any this.
No,
I'm so.
I want for the road.
If
Lasana. If Lasana.
No, need to do.
Oh, wait, that's it.
I trust you, guy.
Deal with me now. Deal with me.
You want to go?
Deal with me.
Yeah. I will believe.
Diamond the yo.
No,
Diamond the yo. Hey, you know say you don't balance me that last time. You don't balance me. I know they like all those ones. See,
Ologo money.
I came fully prepared.
Hey, come for now.
I came fully prepared.
Come for now. I got a job.
Yeah.
Hey, I will buy a blog away.
You hear the sound? Take on. See him. Choco. See him. See him now. They look at well. They look at well. No be. I know the.
Yo, Scottish dear.
Hey, bro.
One
My bro. They take out. Now make I finish you now. Pojong. Pojong. I came fully prepared. When I'm relaxed. Watch now.
Today, that.
Hey! Bunker active.
Sala.
Bunker active.
Wait,
I can't believe you know.
You be on the.
When did this say? What now? Not be by. I came fully prepared, my bro. See, active, everything.
Nah, but guy, shall I tell you, sir, I need to take all these things again. You just they remind me of so many things.
No dummy now. You don't know who you be. You don't know yourself. See, you be king.
Hey.
Now you get this hood.
Ologo.
See, make you just be like say, now the last time I be this. You don't understand? One for the road. Brotherly. See, if you want make I get job, Taiwan. Taiwan.
Confirm. Make I,
Taiwan
make I just
first.
do this one.
The lion himself.
Ologo money.
The lion himself.
Ologo money.
Movement now. I want just run. I want collect a package for that junction.
Sorry.
You get. I dey lap back now.
You sure say if you drive like this where you don't
I never take anything now. You forget who I be. I be the deal on these things. This you don't be anything. But me now while if you deal with my bunny,
Sorry.
you understand.
Ologo is
Bunny deal with my OG now.
Asa Ologo.
OG.
Ologo money.
Deal with my bunny.
The put body na put body. Put body make I carry you there.
I dey lap back.
Confirm. Nah, sir, make you just come closer, man. Come close. That's the beat. Believe you. Everything there, yeah, now, finally. 4 more drinks. Yeah. This one, you want to carry go. You dey feel correct. Enjoy yourself, but take it easy. Okay. Are you fine? I think you are getting better now.
Where that guy will bring this?
No, Ologo don't scatter everybody.
I swear,
No, see, give me that one.
Oh my God.
What's going on?
I
say I'm fine.
What the fuck? Stop taking these, man. Shit. That one, guy. I tell you.
How far I go? What's in the
Sit
swamp?
down first. Sit down first. Nah.
hey!
Collect that thing.
How far?
I tell her.
Where camera? Where is the camera?
I don't like this kind of thing. Now for your stand off there. Blood of God. I go.
Nah.
This guy don't go.
Hey!
Don't go to confirm the other.
Nah. Make I call Ologo first.
Follow
Guy,
loco.
I don't understand. Wetin dey happen here now? Ologo, how far, guy? Nah, I don't understand though. This girl just come here now. He don't pass out from my house now. Where you dey? Come carry this girl.
I don't understand which kind of talk with that.
Wetin you mean, guy? I no want police wahala here. Oh, guy, come carry this girl. Come up from my house now.
Which one be say make I come carry the body Azana? Person when I live with you, she know the hell I had to when I live her. See, as it been like this, I don't even know her from anywhere. No call me again, oh. No call me again.
Ologo. No, Ologo don't drop call for my ear.
Ava, movement.
Go be now.
Just they try the number, you go
Man.
on a network. Try the number.
Guy, wetin dey happen now? Wetin dey sup? Na guy.
Bring girl. Person wey bring girl don't go. You want me to dey here? They do it.
Guy, na so una dey do, guy.
Alpha, I'm coming for evening.
Na go. Na wow. Make I call my police guy first. Hello, officer.
Any show now, make her come. Where would they go this night?
No, officer, you get as e be now. My guy just carry one girl come my house now. The girl don't go. The girl don't pay for my house.
I go as I dey now, busy like I dey on duty. Just find way and I'm gonna find way. Do now you be man now.
Officer, now wow, do something now. Do something. You know as we dey do everything now. Do something for me now. Try. Nah, this officer don't come. Cut my phone. Shit.
You be like one guy by one
Na so you
boy, no be
happen.
so.
Yeah, na so.
Person. How you use no say person by person?
I don't
You go
know.
confirm now.
Shit! What the fuck? This girl, waiting to happen now. Shit. Come on.
Justin, a man named Ago Ojemba, is still under police investigation following the death of a young girl found in his apartment. Cause of death still unclear. Police are doing the investigation, but it's been said that he drugged the girl and she overdosed.
Shit. God. Shit. Come on. Wow, don't boss. God, to this all. Yeah, God. To this all. Yeah. To this all. Shit! Shit!
The law. That's how I ended up here. A homie, Aguna Chamber, the lion himself. They ridiculed me, but the lion remains the lion himself.
Ago, this is not the time to eulogize yourself. Luckily enough for you, the girl survived.
What? Are you serious?
Yeah, it sounds crazy. But she's currently responding to treatment at the state hospital. And she has given her testimony in your favor. So congrats.
The lion names.
Ago.
The lion names.
I go.
In flesh and blood.
You don't come out.
You call me brotherly, but there is nothing brotherly about you.
I go. You no go blame me now. Brotherly, you dey blame me. See, no matter case we dey talk about here. See, I do wetin if your man for street go do. You know easy now. And me and you know say you be strong man. You get the aura to come out from any situation.
Guy, so because I get the aura, I be strong man. Now why you leave this matter, make you chop my head? Leave me, make I suffer am alone, guy.
Brotherly, I do wetin if your man go do. Even if now you dey my shoe, you go do pass me. But you sweet me say you understand.
Ologo, now why I come back? Say make I pay you back. The wages of sin is death, guy.
Action.
Like I said, I came fully prepared.
Ologo money.
You hear this sound? Take a see him. See him. This day, I came fully prepared.
So school, you go cha-cha na movie.